May nag-comment sa video ko sa TikTok.
Try mo yung HOK idol.
At dahil nakikinig ako sa mga supporters ko, tatry naman natin yung HOK na sinasabi niya.
Talaga, Charmin, fuck you.
Seryoso na. Pagpasok ko pa lang ay may email agad sa akin si HOK kaya agad ko tong binasa.
Welcome to Philippines, you are now one of us. Let's have fun together.
Kakaumpisa ko pa lang dito guys at binigyan ako ni HOK ng hero na libre. Bago nga pala tayo mag-umpisa guys ay huwag nyo naman sanang kalimutang i-like at share itong video at paki-follow na din ang aking mga social media accounts at mag-comment or i-message nyo ako if gusto nyo sumama next game.
Welcome to Honor of Kings.
Miracle.
Ranged minions on the farm lane yield more gold.
Farm lane pala ako. Okay, farm lane tayo guys.
Let's give this invention a try. So, play it by ear.
Ito talaga ang gusto ko guys, bakbakan. Yes, score! Honor of Kings!
Exclusively made.
Okay, may SS na tayo mga gar! Pwede na tayo pumunit.
Quiet.
Yun lang, walang mana.
Exclusively made.
Sige, pumatay tayo kahit wala tayong mana gar. O gar, sige gar.
Let's give this invention a
Nice gar. Gar. Dipit ako gar. Dipit ako gar.
Let's give this invention a try.
Enemy has been slain.
Gar, patay gar.
Is that it?
Patay gar.
Exclusively made.
Haha gar.
Hey, I'm over here.
Unstoppable.
Di ba gar? Sabi sa iyo gar eh. Wow, basag na to gar.
Your team has destroyed
Quiet.
the turret.
Let's give this invention a try. Reloaded. Hey, I'm over here.
Legendary.
Ano mga gar?
Let's give this invention a try.
Has destroyed a turret. Double kill.
Ano gar? May na sa akin doon, dragon na to gar.
Quiet. So, play it by ear.
Legendary.
Ha! Gar.
Exclusively made.
Double kill. Triple kill.
I'm over here.
Shut down.
Ah, nag-greedy kasi ako gar.
You here for the fireworks?
You have slain an enemy.
Ano gar?
So, play it by ear.
Double kill.
I haven't even used my ultimate attack.
Kill.
Gar. Tayo dito gar. Patayin ko kayo lahat gar. Ang angas mo ah.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I'm over here. Let's give this invention a try.
Rampage.
Ano gar? Puputukan ko kayo gar.
Team has
Uy, sana all!
Gago.
destroyed a turret.
When you look at the sea,
Ano gar?
let's give this invention a try.
Slain. Triple kill.
Ano gar? Labas mga gar.
So, play it by ear. Reloading.
Mga gar.
Ace.
Labas mga
Your
gar.
team has destroyed a turret.
Quiet.
Pentakill.
Ha, pentakill naman ngayon mga gar.
Ace.
Pentakill. 5 patay ko gar. Sabi.
Thank you for always being by my side.
Savage Gar, savage! Kaya gusto ko Gar, savage! Ah. Pentakill guys! Paano ba yan? Ha, MVP guys. Ganun talaga pag malakas. Like talaga na nakaramihan yan guys.